there's major drama going on menopause TikTok, which I didn't even know was a thing. P.S. I'm not in menopause, I'm 36. But there is so much that we can learn from this example. It started with me seeing a few different videos from women doctors talking about how challenging it actually is for women to lose weight in menopause. And then I saw the video that I think they're responding to, and that's what we're gonna talk about. This young woman who shows a picture of her mom who looks immaculate. She looks like societal standards of a thin woman in a bikini. She's super lean, she's super toned. And then with this like green screen of her hot mom, this woman, look at my mom, she looks amazing. And any of you who are putting on weight just aren't trying hard enough is basically the spirit of the video. It's super condescending, and she asserts herself as an expert in an experience that she has never personally experienced herself due to her proximity to someone who has and who is living into societal standards of exceptionalism. And it's the combination of those few things for someone to feel so confident and so audacious, not only to say that they know more than someone who's having a lived experience, but to say it with condescension and to say that the person who's having the lived experience just isn't doing it right. And this outside observer, based on their proximity to someone who by their estimation is doing it right, has the knowledge that the people who aren't living up to societal standards just aren't trying hard enough. We see this all the time, both in content and in real life. Or to an individual, to blame them, to shame them, to tell them everything they're doing wrong based on what you assume their experience to be, it's not gonna go well for you. It's gonna go a lot better if you feel the need to be there at all, to approach with compassion, empathy, curiosity, and kindness.